Hello and welcome. Today, we're using one of the most powerful ingredients for your skin, banana. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, banana helps reduce wrinkles, deeply moisturizes, and gives your skin a youthful glow. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. First recipe. Take 1 piece of ripe banana and mash it well until smooth. Now add a few drops of vitamin E oil, which is excellent for healing damaged skin and preventing premature aging. Mix well. Benefits of this mask. This mask deeply hydrates your skin, boosts collagen production, and smooths out fine lines. Apply the mask to clean skin, face, neck, and even hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with lukewarm water, then with cool water to close the pores. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Friends, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from? We'd love to hear from you. Second recipe. Take 1 piece of banana and mash it thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and rejuvenate the skin. Mix until smooth. Benefits. This is a perfect glow mask. It refreshes tired skin, improves blood flow, and gives your face a healthy radiance. Apply generously to the face and neck. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cold water. Moisturize your skin. Use twice a week to keep your skin looking fresh and awake. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share with a friend. Third recipe. Mash 1 piece of banana. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, which is deeply nourishing and helps repair the skin's barrier. Mix until creamy. Benefits. Ideal for dry or mature skin. It softens, repairs, and protects against fine lines and wrinkles. How to use it. Apply to clean skin in a thick layer. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cold water. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times weekly for visible improvement. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new natural beauty recipe. Fourth recipe. Mash 1 piece of banana until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of milk, which contains lactic acid, to gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. Stir together. Benefits of this mask. This mask smooths the skin, reduces dullness, and leaves your face soft and glowing. How to use it. Apply the mask to clean skin, face, neck, and even hands. Let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Moisturize. Use 2 times a week. Fifth recipe. Mash 1 piece of banana. Add a few drops of sage essential oil, known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Mix well. Benefits. It tones the skin, tightens pores, and helps reduce sagging. How to use it. Apply gently, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and moisturize. Use once or twice a week. Sixth recipe. Mash 1 piece of banana. Add 1/2 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder, which is packed with antioxidants and reduces skin inflammation. Mix thoroughly. Benefits of this mask. This mask brightens the complexion, calms redness, and detoxifies the skin. Apply to clean skin and relax for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash cold water. Pat dry and apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for glowing skin. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. If you'd like to support our channel, we'll be happy to receive a super thanks. Thanks for watching.